Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how your payment method was declined in GCash and how to fix it in a fast way. It is a quick and easy tutorial. Have you ever tried to make a payment with GCash and got hit with a payment method decline message? Yeah, that's super annoying. But don't worry, I got you in this video. I have GCash right here. And this is the first solution to it. Make sure it's updated. It sounds obvious, but this could be the number one reason why payments are failing on your side. So to update, go to Play Store or App Store on your phone. Now then click on the search button and just search for GCash like so. Make sure that it's written open and not update. If it's written update, then go ahead and click on it to update it. The second solution is to check if your GCash balance is enough. This could be also the reason why it declines payment using GCash. If your balance is low, then you just need to add up your balance and make it enough. So you also need to just make sure that your GCash account is fully verified. If not, most online payments and linked services won't work. Also, another tip is to check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is strong, since slow and unstable data can stop payments with process and can just give that fail. This is the final solution to this problem. If all those solutions haven't worked yet, just go to your settings and click on it. I'm using my Android phone, but this is the same process in an iPhone. Just scroll down to where we have app management or whatever option it's there on your phone and click on app settings. And inside here, you will have all the apps. So just scroll down to where we have the Gcash or just search for it right there at the top. And we have it here. Go ahead and click on it. And this is what we need to do. We need to first click on storage and cache like that and clear any cache by clicking on clear cache. And if still that doesn't work, you need to force stop and just restart the app. And you can also have to update the app, and that should sort the issue. This is a tip that if you're trying to use Gcash with Google Play or Apple services, then you can go to your account settings and remove, then re-add the Gcash as your payment method. This can also reset any bug and make the Gcash method to work again. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.